Let me move. Set up this thing quick. Sir. Come first. Please. Come to the middle.
For the party, it's a win-win situation.
Sir, here.
For the party, it's a win-win situation. Thank you.
Where is your light?
Yes, good morning. My name is JM Joy Agbadu. Okay, my name is Joy Agbadu. We are counsel representing the plaintiff in this suit, Honorable Hassan Abdullahi. As you all know, this is a case that is premised on the Kogi State Gubernatorial primary election that was held on the 16th of April 2023. At the conclusion of the primary election, our client, Honorable Hassan, Okay. My name is Joy Agbadu. We are counsel representing the plaintiff in this suit, Honorable Hassan Abdullahi. As you all know, this case is premised on the Kogi State Gubernatorial primary election that was held on the 16th of April 2023, wherein our client was declared as a winner, representing the people's, that NNPP, Nigerian People's Party. He was declared a winner of that primary election, and his name was uploaded on the INEC server on the 28th of April 2023. Along the line, he heard rumor that his name was substituted in place of the second defendant. So this case was filed by us, by the firm, on behalf of Honorable Hassan Abdullahi. We approached this honorable court whether or not the plaintiff, having declared a winner, having scored the majority of lawful votes at that primary election and being declared as a winner, his name is ought to have been submitted by the party, which is NNPP, to INEC and published as a candidate for the primary election, for the election which is scheduled to be held on the 11th of November 2023 this year. So we also approached the court, asking the court to mandate INEC to publish his name as a candidate of NNPP in respect of Kogi State's election, general election, for gubernatorial election this year. So today, this honorable court gave judgments in favor of our client, Honorable Hassan, and the court dismissed the notice of narrow objection held by counsel to NNPP and the counsel to the second defendant. That's the person that his name was forwarded to INEC in place of the plaintiff. And the court held that this case is not statute bar, that is filed within the 14 days as provided by the Constitution. And the court today has upheld the election of 16th of April 2023, where our client was declared a winner. And the court granted all the reliefs that the plaintiff sought before the courts. That is to say that INEC has been mandated to publish our client's name as a winner of that primary election and to prepare ahead of the 11th November gubernatorial election for Kogi State. That was the judgment of the courts. Thank you.
Let him come to the middle.
My name is Honorable Hassan Abdullahi. I'm the candidate of NNPP Kogi State governorship election coming up.
How do you feel with the outcome of the election?
Well, I feel happy, that justice has taken its course. The only place for an ordinary man is a court, we have approached the court and the court has granted us all our relief. So I'm very happy.
So what's the next step?
Well, the next thing is to reconcile with all parties and see how we move around to talk to our supporters to go into the election proper.
Now, what will be your call to your opponents, those who want to challenge?
Well, this is politics. You know, when you go into election and you're not satisfied, you are bound to approach the court. And any party that wins has a duty to talk to the other party that has lost. You know, so I will talk to my colleague to see how you come together for us to work towards the victory of our great party. Thank you.
Okay, the state presenting the state, just a minute.
Let's meet
The state auditor of the party.
you. We have your name already.
Well, I'm Comrade Umar Mohammed Murtala. I'm the state auditor of New Nigeria's People's Party, NNPP Kogi State. Thank God, today is the victory for all of us. It's not for only one person. It's victory for the party. This is the party heart desire. And today, thank God, God have granted our desire for us. So we are very happy and we urge all the party members, lovers of the party and lovers of Kogi State. This is a new direction and we are going to achieve it by God's grace. This is just the first victory, and the rest is coming, and God is going to bless all of us as we are going for this journey. So we should not relent our effort. The journey just started. We should not be over happy. The journey just started and God is going to help all of us. So I thank all the executive, on behalf of all the executive council of Kogi State, New Nigeria's People's Party, NNPP, congratulations to all of us and congratulations to our candidate, Honorable Hassan Abdullahi. Thank you.